So, she's opening her Nyota.
These are my top favorite. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1.
Okay.
But I still will be happy with any nyota.
I need to... Okay. The coffee one!
It's cute!
It's cute!
I thought she was so big, but she's tiny.
Yeah, but can you show it to the camera? Oh, she's cute! Ang cute niya, promise! Yay! Si Horona nagpalit sa gilid. Yay! Ang cute niya.
Papasahin lang sa lahat. Thank you!
Isa na akong pirma.
Hindi naman ako swerte sa raffle, pero na-try lang natin. This is our third vendor. Filipino edition, Sabri flavor. Sabri bonbon. Oh, thank you.
And we're done. Marami na kaming nabili. Hindi ko na-expect na bibili kami na madami. At marami na siyang binili sa akin. Filipino edition ng Oro. Curious ako talaga to try it. So,
Savory.
yeah. Savory daw yung flavor niya. Woo! Wow! Space Arcade! What's this? What's this?
One, two.
everything we got from the chocolate fair. Ruffles, so peanut butter cups, milk. Ano siya, from Mindful Indulgence. And then from Oro,
Filipino edition savory bonbons. So, 4 flavors siya.
sinigang,
Sinigang
kare-kare,
kare-kare, pork barbecue, and
lumpia.
lumpia.
Yeah. Ito yung pinaka-curious ako. Pugo to go. Ayan siya. It's 389 pesos.
Quail egg.
Quail egg.
Hazelnut flavored hot chocolate drink. Cute ng design na. I think it's reusable.
And ayan yung bestseller daw. Sa lahat, 4 flavors yung nandun. Ayan yung best. Yung basic lang na Dubai style chocolate. So, pistachio siya. We just wanna try this. Kasi yung favorite ko kasi yung Reese's. Kaya ako ito pinili. I wanna try this now. Kasi if ever masarap siya, bibili pa ako. Oh, ito ang tsura niya pala.
It's big.
It's big. Try natin.
It has a little Himalayan salt.
Oh, I love it. Para siyang parehas siya ng Reese's, pero different din. I can't explain.
Pero because of the salt.
Yeah, you have to try. It's not too sweet compared to Reese's.
It's kind of like homemade yung flavor ng peanut butter for me.
Sarap siya.
It's bigger than the Reese's cup.
Hindi ko in-expect din laki. I think yung iba, sabayan na natin. Yeah? Sabayan natin. May gel. May po caramel.
We have to make bawas.
So, nakauwi na pala kami. Tapos, punta kaming Save More para bumili ng mga pwede namin kainin at inumin habang nanonood ng House of the Dragon. Yan na, ready na kami. House of the Dragon Marathon. Later. Wow!
I'm strong.
Neil Armstrong. So, we're currently watching House of the Dragon. Nire-rewatch pa lang namin. So, we can watch Season 3 nang na-refresh kami. And, we're gonna try now the Pugo to Go. Bango. Ganito ang kanyang itsura.
Chocolate nga yun siya.
Hindi matigas yung shell. Like, yung na-expect ko. Hindi ka na-expect mo yung matigas. Para lang siyang chocolate. Pero, ang nakakagulat na part ay yung loob niya. Makikita niyo may caramel feeling siya. We're gonna continue watching. Tapos, yung mga other chocolate na try namin tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Don't you wanna have fun? Fool around someone? 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some fun?
So, we're gonna go sa Secret
Secret Steakhouse.
Steakhouse. Dito kami bumaba. Ito, storage secure services. We're gonna go inside. Bawal. Paglagpas natin ng storage company building. Oh. May horror entrance. Sorry, we're fully booked. Eh? Oh, wait. Oh. Okay.
Yeah, his baby said that they don't got a future like it burns. So give him something worse to kill his head with, make him forget somehow. Might be that another day she would have wished he stayed, but they're done. Sorry, this won't be enough this time. Yeah, he's calling all his friends to get some action and distract him right now. He's fine. Got Lucy on the line, let's get this started. Push the party tonight. I feel good, nothing weighs me down. I can't believe my luck right now. Red eyes, well they say, don't you wanna have fun? Full of love, don't you wanna have fun? Never looked done hard. It needs a little kickstart. 'Cause don't you wanna have fun? Don't you wanna have some?
Sabi tayo.
May video siya para sa atin. Dami namin nakain. Hindi kami masyado nag-rice. Next namin, dessert. Dessert or coffee. Yeah, we're planning to go sa parang may ice cream. Mamaya, malalaman niyo kung saan. For the steak, ang nagustuhan ko, top 1 is picanha. Tapos siya, pinaka-top 1 niya ay
Picanha. And
ang next ay
then, ano yun?
Del Monico.
Delimondo.
Del Monico.
Belmonico. And then the soft pillow.
Yeah, sa ano yun? Sabuton. Tapos yung last is, ano yung isa?
Maybe, no. Last na lang pala yung sabot.
Last yung sabuton. Ako din, number 1 is picanha. Second is Del Monico. Tapos, parang ganun din yung dalawa. Last na sila. Hindi ko masyadong bet. Just because, ang hirap niyang nguyain. Pero masarap.
Ang patty nila compared sa picanha.
Oo.
Yun yung isa.
Ang juicy ng picanha. Tapos, ang dali lang niyang nguyain.
Tapos ang flavorful niya. Even without any pepper or sauce, ang flavorful niya.
True. Yung fat ng picanha, enough lang siya. Kaya, yun yung number 1.
Perfect. We are at Green Hills Mall to get some dessert and coffee, right?
Yes, what did you say? Nasabi niya na pala kanina. Hanapin na namin yung dough creamery. It is. May mga food din pala sila. Isa pong mango, tsaka isang choco caramel.
For dining.
Dine-in, yes. Kanina, hindi kami makaupo kasi ang daming tao. Pero nung pag-upo namin, mabilis lang. Nilinis din nung mga staff agad yung table. So, parang so far, mabilis yung service na. Nakakatawa. Pero, pwede ka ba parang gano'n? So, ko dito na ang daming socket. If you're planning to go for a dessert and then work, perfect tong Dough Creamery sa San Juan Green Hills. Dami niya talagang saksakan dito. Caramel crepe. Yum! Sarap. Sarap. Ah. Muesli ba yan or oat? Nandito kami sa Dreamland at this is not the dream. Look at the balls here. Hindi mo siya... It's dirty. Dulas, ang dumi. Where's the ball? Natapon! We're gonna race! May seatbelt! Teka, mag-seatbelt ko na ako. Ba't wala akong seatbelt? What's this? What's Wonder Society? What is this place? There's no one here. I wonder why. This is a Wonder Society. There's no one here.
It's full of wonder.
We're done. Gonna go. Bye-bye. So, it's time to try the Filipino edition of Oro Chocolate by Chef Deti Moru.
Gordon Ramsay.
Like Chef Deti Moru. So, siya, look at the packaging. So, premium. Parang cellphone. Oh,
You can reuse it.
this box. Yeah. Ito serious eh. Open. Ha? Unang makikita nyo ay ang pamphlet. Then, of course, surprise. Look at that. Oh, parang solar system. Yeah, it's planet. Unahin natin ang in order. So, first one is kare-kare. Bilis. Yan.
Kare-kare. I taste the peanut butter right away. Yeah, it is.
Parang nga siyang kare-kare. What the heck? This is sinigang. May asim siya. Oh, true. Totoo yung parang may sabaw. Kasi,
Sorry.
show it first.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lumpia. Orange.
Yeah. Parang nasa sauce na siya.
Crunchy pa.
Wow. Ito gusto ko. Yung feeling ng lumpia wrapper, mararamdaman mo dito. Legit. Pag kinagat, pork barbecue. Dulas talaga.
Planet. Parang
May beef jerky, oh.
oh my god. I'm not sure if it's real.
Bacon! May
May
bacon!
bacon.
Ano? If i-rank mo siya, ano yung first to last mo?
For me, I think last yung lumpia. Basing it on the taste, parang hindi ko ma-distinguish talaga na lumpia flavor siya. But I like the crunchiness kasi parang siya yung pinaka-crunchy sa lahat. Yung shell. Yeah.
Yeah, tama.
My favorite siguro would either be sinigang or pork barbecue. Tapos next yung kare-kare. I like the bits eh. Tapos yung sinigang parang may sabaw talaga kaya gusto ko.
Yeah. Oo nga actually. Yung pinakagusto ko, yun yung lumpia. Kasi, parang yung na-feel ko sa kanya, para talagang lumpia yung crunchiness niya. Kasi sobrang halaga sa akin ng texture, kaya yun yung first ko. Number 2 ko siguro ay pork barbecue kasi may texture din siya once na nakagat mo na yung bacon. Ang sarap sa pakiramdam, tsaka ang sarap kainin. Tapos next is sinigang, then actually, yeah, sinigang then kare-kare. Yan. Yun yung sa akin. Worth it ba siya for the price? What are your thoughts? It's $4.95 at
For me, worth it if it's like you're just going to try it. But not worth it to buy all the time kasi it's really pricey. Just 4 pieces lang siya.
Yeah, actually same. If you wanna experience lang, it's okay. Yan. Isang beses, ganyan, or minsan, okay lang siya. Pero hindi siya syempre palagi dahil hindi siya ganun ka-affordable. And it's, 4 pieces na small na bilog-bilog. So, yeah. And sana, nagustuhan nyo ang aming pagde-describe nito. Sana nabigay namin yung best description para if you wanna try, may idea na kayo.
Siya eh, diba? Sa may Oro brand or chocolate sa iba't ibang mall.
Oh, yan. Nasa sa Oro, pag nakakita kayo, if you wanna try, pwede. Go for it. We support you.